Joseph Campbell, the author, he once shared a cool insight. And this insight is actually a thought process on how he writes his books and his stories and he develops his characters. And I think, honestly, this is what all the Hollywood or the Bollywood movies use. This is based on the hero's journey. He describes this that for any transformation to happen, there has to be a rebirth, which means death of the old self. And this idea is really cool because if we want to grow and become the best version of ourselves, we must be ready to leave behind what we are currently doing. Sometimes it could be really tough because in this way, you're actually letting go of the familiar and stepping into the unknown. And trust me, a lot of people will say it's easy. It is hard. I've tried to do it many times. It's hard. But when you step out of your comfort zone, it's like you're walking in a dark place, like a dark forest. You don't know what you'll find there, and you kind of give up on what you already have. But what you might find is a life that is truly meaningful to you. Joseph Campbell also believes that a great life means going on multiple of these heroes' journeys. That means you have to be ready to go through this process of ending something old so that a new area of your life can develop. And what I've learned is that every time you do this, it becomes easier and easier. You'll always have challenges, but what's a challenge without an adventure, right? You want to go to the adventure, you have to have a challenge. So here are 2 questions for you to think about. Is there some part of your life that needs to end so you can grow? This could be a habit, it could be a mindset, it could be a relationship that doesn't serve you anymore, it could be anything. And how will you let go of that old habit or relationship or anything to make room for the new? This could involve setting new goals, changing your routine, seeking new experiences, looking at things that might challenge you. And once you do that, here's a 3-step process that you can follow today. First thing, get clear, reflect and write down. Take a book and a pen, take a journal, write down what parts of your life, or let's say write down all the versions that you want to be. Be honest with yourself and see what's really holding you back from getting there. Then set new goals. You have that journal entry, you have that reflection. Set 1 or 2 maybe goals, actionable goals that will actually represent your new self. This could be practicing meditation, taking a course, dedicating a time for something that you love, and then share your goals with others. When you share your goals with others, like friends, families, mentors, they will start supporting you, encouraging you, and with that, you will find motivation. Sometimes it's so easy. It's just about speaking out loud and telling the world what you really want. And then you will see that a lot of people will start giving you an advice on what you should be doing. This is the classical hero's journey that goes in all the movies, all the books, all the characters, and it always works. So try it out.